made a soft with a soft nest with leaves and grass. She sat next to the egg. The wind blew.
The wind. The
The
wind
wind,
blew.
the wind blew. The sky turned gray. Rain started to fall. Bella covered the egg with her wings. The next day, the sun came back. The egg shook crack. Out came a tiny baby bird. The baby bird chirped. Beep, beep. Bella smiled. Hello, little one. Just then a big bird flew down. That's my baby, said the bird. Thank you for helping. Bella felt happy. She saved the egg and made a new friend too.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Is there any word that you don't understand?
Hmm.
Ad- ada kata yang nggak ngerti? Ada?
Dan
Ada. Ditulis di kertas. Ya, please write down all the words that you don't understand.
asli nih. Hmm. 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 Dan
Okay. How many words you have? How many words?
three.
Three, only three? Wow. Okay. Okay, Alia, what words can you read? The words that you don't understand the meaning?
I don't understand. Shoe crack.
What?
Shoe, shoe crack.
Suckered. How do you spell suckered?
S.
Oh, the egg shook, crack, crack, crack is the sound when what? Eggshell be broken. Kalau cangkang telur pecah itu bunyinya crack gitu.
Oh,
Shook, shook itu bentuk pak lampau dari shaking. Jadi, do you have your phone with you? Okay, yeah. Open the dictionary in your phone.
apa itu dictionary?
Kamus, Google Translate.
Oh,
Dictionary means, nah, no, wrong, wrong.
mana?
This one, this one, this one. Nggak kelihatan. Google Translate. Coba. Sebentar.
Ini Google Translate.
Oh ya, ketik shook.
Shoot. Mama, mama.
Type shook.
Type shoot.
Type
Shoot.
ya. Ya. What does it mean?
Terguncang.
Ya, ya. Bergoyang, berguncang. And then what
Oh
other
yeah.
word? What and the next word is
The next word is I must keep it safe.
I I must keep it safe.
Yeah.
I must keep it safe. Okay? Yeah, that's right. I must keep it safe. Now type I must keep it safe in the dictionary. What does it means?
Aku harus menjaganya tetap aman.
Okay. What does it mean in bahasa Indonesia? What does it mean
Aku
must
harus
keep
menjaganya
it
tetap
it it
tetap.
no, it refers to the egg. It means itu.
Oh,
Keep itu menjaga, itu nya. Jadi menjaganya.
menjaganya tetap aman.
Uh, safe, safe. What does it mean safe?
Aku harus menjaganya tetap aman.
Safe, what does it mean safe? Safe.
Safe aman, aman.
Okay, that's wonderful. And next word, please.
Game.
What is it? Same.
Si game, game.
Rain, rain.
Game.
How does it spell?
Came.
M-E. Came. Oh,
Game.
came. Came. What does it mean? What does it say there? Came. Came is the past form of come.
Telah datang.
Datang. Jadi sudah datang. Kalau come itu datang, kalau came itu sudah datang. Ayo apa lagi?
Hmm.
Next word.
Udah,
Huh? Any other word? Okay,
no.
now I ask you. Chirp. What does it mean? Chirp.
Siap.
Yeah.
Mana? Oh.
Chirped.
Bersiul.
Hah?
Bersiul atau bersuara.
Bersuara. Ya, untuk burung bunyinya itu adalah chirp. Ya, ya. Kalau kucing bunyinya apa?
Meong.
Apa? Miau.
Meong.
Miau.
Meong.
Ya. Kalau anjing bunyinya
Woof, woof.
apa?
Bark, bark, woof,
Bark.
woof.
Ya, betul. Oke, the next word is covered. What does it mean covered?
Oh,
Covered.
menyelimuti.
Yeah. Okay, that's right. Wonderful. And then next word is flew. Flew down.
Turun.
Apa?
Terbang turun.
Okay. Okay. Felt.
Fell. Mana?
Bella felt happy.
Rasa.
Okay. That is wonderful. That is so wonderful. Now, this is true or false? Bella found a red egg. True or false?
False.
False. Bella held the egg in the rain.
True.
Okay, that's correct. The baby bird said moo.
False.
False. Bella made a new friend.
True.
True. Okay. That is that is so smart of you. Okay. We go to next. We go to next story. Mm,
Ready.
okay. Next story. Read, please.
Ana,
Did? No? Ini nggak kelihatan?
enggak, masih sama.
Masih sama. What about now?
Oh, ya.
Ah,
The brave little seed. Once there a tiny seed named Pip. Pip lived in a big green forest with many tall trees. One day,
tall
the
trees.
wind
Tall trees.
trees,
Yeah.
trees.
Yeah.
One day, the
The wind.
wind blew very hard. Whoosh! Pip flew, flew, flew,
Flew off.
flew, flew
Flew.
off, flew off its tree and landed far away. Pip was scared. It says the ground was dry and rocky, but Pip wanted to grow. I will try, Pip said. Every day, Pip
Push.
pushed its roots
Roots.
down and its stems up,
Stem.
them up. The sun was hot, the rain was cold, but Pip did not stop. Then the morning popped, a small green leaf came out. Pip grew taller and taller. Soon Pip became a little tree. Birds sat on its branch,
Branches. Branch.
branch,
Branch.
branch.
Yeah.
Bees buzzed around its flowers. Pip was happy. You are brave, little seed, said the wind. And Pip smiled in the sun. The end.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, now the question for the Pip story is, oh, is there any word that you don't understand?
No,
You all understand all the words. Okay, let's see. Mm, Now, Pip was brave, right?
Pip was brave.
Pip was brave. What brave things you do? What brave things you do today?
I brave to meet you today.
Ah! Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Is anything else?
I'm the only person.
Yes, you are the winner. You are the winner. Is there anything else?
Um,
Now, if Pip landed on a dry land, what would it be?
it will be so hot.
Will
No
be hot.
trees.
It,
No trees.
no tree. Oh yeah, it won't grow. It won't grow. Yeah, Pip will not
Yeah.
grow. Okay, that is so wonderful. We can start. We can continue with another story.
Hey.
Okay,
Hey.
let's read this story.
Hmm. The lost kitten. One sunny day, Anna walked to the park. She liked to look at the flowers and listen to the birds. As she walked, she heard a soft sound. Anna looked around. Under a big tree, she was a small kitten. It was white with a pink nose. The kitten looked scared. Oh no, said Anna. Are you lost? Anna picked up the kitten. It was cold and hungry. Don't worry, she said. I will help you. She took the kitten home. She gave it milk and a warm towel. Anna made sign. Lost kitten. She put it on a tree near park. The next day, a bomb came to Anna's house. He saw the sign. That's my kitten. He said her name is Snowy. Thank you for helping her. Anna smiled. I'm happy, she said. The boy said you can visit Snowy anytime. Anna was glad. She made a new friend and helped a kitten too.
Okay, wonderful. Is there any word that you don't understand?
Oh,
You understand all the words. Okay. Now, do you ever raise a kitten?
yes, her
Yes.
name is Lala.
Oh, what happened to her now?
Lala lost.
Lala, Lala ran away from home. Oh,
And
that's
I had Lala, Abu, Mickey, Kitty, sama Mochi.
Mochi.
Tapi
Mochi.
Mochi mati.
Mochi died.
Yeah.
Okay.
And 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 uh, and the kitty too. I named her Kitty, but she got eaten by his father.
Ah, that's sad. That is sad. Now,
And
huh?
and just Mickey. Mickey
Did
is and run away and Lala too. No,
run away with
now
Lala.
it's just Abu.
No, it's just Abu. Now about the story, yeah, about the story. Let's about the story. What did Anna hear?
And she just walked
She
in the
just
park.
walked in the park. Oh yeah, and then
and then heard a soft sound.
And then,
Anna looked around under big tree. She saw a small kitten like Mickey.
what did she do with the kitten?
She picked up the kitten and Anna made a sign, love kitten.
Okay. When the kitten grew big, what does it call?
It's not kitten anymore, it's called cat.
Cat. Right. That is right.
Cat.
Correct.
Cat.
That is so correct. Now I will give you how long is it? We still have 10 minutes before after 10 minutes if you are somehow get kicked out of the room, you can log back in, okay? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Because this is the free version of Zoom. What 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 was the kitten name in the story?
Snowy.
Snowy. Snowy. What is his color?
Huh?
What is its color? Snowy. What is its color?
Um, its color is white and a pink nose.
Where's that? Where is that? Oh yeah, it's a
Color
with a pink nose. Yeah, correct. That is correct.
nose. Pink nose like a Doraemon.
Let's continue with other story. With other story, we have so
Wait, I want drink.
okay. You want to drink. You want to drink. Okay. Okay.
I'm done.
Okay. We have another story. Let's see. Wait, 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 wait. Where's Alia?
Here.
Okay. This is another story. Okay, let's read.
Huh? What is it? The tiny
Timmy,
turtle. Tiny, the
Timmy,
tiny turtle.
Timmy. The name is Timmy.
Timmy,
Yeah.
Timmy, the tiny turtle.
Yes.
Timmy as a tiny turtle. Tiny was a tiny turtle. She lived. What is this? I can read.
You can read why?
I don't know. I just can't read it.
Okay.
Why am I look like this? I look so ugly. Ah, I might have a mustache.
Can you read? Can you see the story now?
No, still no.
Still no story?
No, it's
It's like what?
like a house,
A house?
a half of the story. Just
Hmm.
I am so confused. I won't read anymore. Try again. Try.
Okay, right now? How about now?
Let me see. Okay.
Okay.
Timmy was a little turtle. He lived by a big blue pond. He loved to swim and splash. One day, Timmy saw a butterfly. It was yellow and fast. I want to follow it, said Timmy. The butterfly flew over a log. Timmy climbed over it slowly. I can do it, she said. The butterfly flew near a flower. Timmy stopped. What a nice smell, he said, smiling. Then the butterfly flew into the woods. Timmy looked around. Oh no, he said. Where am I? Timmy was lost. He felt a little scared. I want to go home, he said. He followed the sound of frog. Rabbit, rabbit. Maybe the pond is that way, he said. Timmy walked and walked, then splashed. He saw a water. My pond, he cheered. Timmy jumped in the pond. He was happy and safe. I had an adventure, he said, but it's good to be home.
It's good to be home. Now, um, where does Timmy live?
Timmy lived in home,
In home. Timmy live in home. Yeah, but what is it his home?
in 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 a water.
A big blue pond. He lives in a big blue pond. What is a
Click
pond?
blue. I don't know.
A pond, you don't know pond. Let's open the dictionary. A pond.
Okay, wait. Okay, let me put my phone. Mama, where is my phone? What is it?
A
Hey,
pond. Find in the dictionary.
my mom first. My phone is lost.
It's lost. You lost your phone. You mean you lost your phone? Where is it?
I am here with my phone right here.
Okay. What is a
Where's
pond?
my phone?
Yeah, what
It's
is a
cracked. My phone is cracked.
yeah, what is a pond? Type a pond. Type
Phone. Column.
yes, column. Is there any other word that you don't understand from the story?
No. Again.
You
Wait.
understand? Okay,
I
all right.
don't understand. Fast.
First, fast,
Fast. Fast.
fast,
Yeah. Yeah, fast.
fast. Where's what's the sentence?
This have
Okay, back to Timmy. Where's the Timmy?
teeny,
There, Timmy.
teeny, weeny. Wait, what is
What happened
this?
in the woods? What happened in the woods with Timmy?
It, it, black,
Huh?
black.
Well, again.
Like this.
Okay, okay. Okay, wait. Wait and be patient.
Be patient.
How about now? How about now?
Still.
Still,
Yeah, I don't know why, but it's so confused.
it's still not
Try,
working.
try again. Maybe now it's done. Oh,
Is it okay now?
did you put the Anna? Oh, no,
Anna, Yonda.
it's not okay.
No, still not okay. Okay,
Try one more times.
okay.
One more times. Maybe it's better. Now,
Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Timmy the tiny turtle. Baca lagi kah?
No, 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 no. I
Okay.
want you to answer the question, what does Timmy follow?
Follow a butterfly. Yellow butterfly.
Yellow butterfly. And what happens in the woods?
It's yellow and fast.
Yellow
Like
and far. What happened in the woods?
what? What is it?
Yeah, then the butterfly flew into the woods. Okay, look
Oh,
around. What happened in the woods?
huh? I don't understand what is mean.
Woods, I don't understand what the woods mean. Okay. Then you have to read it again.
Okay.
Okay.
Timmy was a tiny turtle. He lived by a big blue pond. He loved to swim and splash. One day, Timmy saw a butterfly. It was yellow and fast. I want to follow it, said Timmy. The butterfly flew over a log. Timmy climbed over it slowly. I can do it, she said. The butterfly flew a near flower. Timmy stopped. Then the butterfly flew into the wood.
Flew.
Flew into
Yeah.
the wood.
Now, what happened in the woods?
What is a tree, right? The batang.
Woods. Yeah, it can
Batang.
also. Woods mean a forest.
Forest.
Yes, you can look into your dictionary. Woods. Let's open dictionary. Woods.
Let me put the password first. Okay, it's open.
Okay, okay.
Hmm. 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 Good. Oh, oh my god.
What does it mean? Woods.
What is hutan?
Yeah. What happened in the woods?
What happened in the wood?
Yeah.
Timmy looked around.
And then
And then, oh no, he said, where am I?
what happened in the woods? Timmy was
Well,
lost. And
he was lost.
what does it mean?
And
What does it mean by
it
lost?
means Tersesat.
Tersesat. And then what happened?
Sat.
He fell.
He felt a little scared.
Yes. What does it mean?
And
What does it mean?
it means dia takut
Yeah.
sedikit.
Okay. One more question. How does Timmy find his way back?
He asked a mumu.
He asked Mumu. How does he find his way back home?
He followed a frog.
Yes. Follow the sounds of
Frogs.
frogs.
That's right.
Okay. Wonderful. Now it's time for us to practice writing. That's
Writing.
yes, writing. Do you like to write story?
I do.
Ah, good. Now write
I am looking.
let's write about what mm,
How do you do that? How your background look like that?
can you see?
Yes.
Okay, read it out loud.
Writing session.
And
What
then
makes your school special?
okay, I will give you 5 minutes to write in your notebook. Where's the
Okay.
notebook? Yes. Write what makes your school special, okay? Until the music and
Okay. I'm good in writing for sure. Writing what? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Where's this? There's nothing special. Okay, I'm done.
okay.
My school is special because it has so many presents.
Present. And then
Like piala. Piala.
okay. And then
And is the top school
top school
Surabaya.
in Surabaya. Oh, wonderful. So what
In negeri.
trophy? What competition? What competition have you joined?
So I have a dance and apa ya?
Dance,
No.
dance
Hmm.
and
Dance and wedding. 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 Yeah. And wedding.
what?
Mading.
And what?
Mading. Mading
I,
is like decorations.
oh, it's
Wall medicine.
writings and you put it on the wall.
Yep.
Okay. It's Wall magazine. Is it? Is it? Yes. Okay. Okay. And then what are the things that makes your school special?
It's so many smart and brilliant students.
Oh, wonderful. You must be one of them.
No.
You're not. You're not one of them.
The top one is
Oh, your top 40 is.
Gifford. Gifford.
Oh, the fourth in the class or in the school? Of
Gifford. In my top class, the best student is Gifford. She's so smart.
in your class, the top student.
There's a two-person.
Yes, there's two-person.
It's the best in my class. It's Abid and Gifford. Abid is number 2, but Gifford is number 1.
Oh, the fourth is
He got
it's
he
the
got
name.
got
Name of
100 in math.
name of your friend. How does it spell?
Gifford.
Gifford. Her name is Gifford.
Yeah,
She's number 1. Okay.
yeah.
And you?
He
Oh,
he.
he. Oh, he. Okay. So he's a boy. I thought that's a girl name, Gifford.
That's a boy.
And you? How about you?
I'm I'm a girl, of
No, I mean,
course.
I mean, in the class, in the class, in the class. What rank?
I'm the bar one. I'm the barbar one.
The, what does it mean, the barbar one?
Barbar is not quiet
Not quiet. And then,
and and
okay. Show me your writing. Show me your writing. Ah, that's only 2 sentences. Okay, now, so I'm going to uh give you things to write, okay?
okay.
Okay. So we have another things to write
Gak bisa
down.
pakai bahasa Indonesia aja kah?
No, we cannot use Bahasa Indonesia because this is English club. We go to
No,
Indonesian club if we
um,
want to speak Bahasa
I
Indonesia.
am poor at English.
Oh, you are actually good. Maybe you can bring some friends so you can. What is it? What happened to your hand?
I'm drawing and the chat is split on my hand. Look,
Oh, the pain. The pain.
the pain. It
Yes.
filed on my hand. Look like ah ah ah.
Okay. If you can invent something,
I can make a friend. It's only 2 of us. I only can make a friend with girls.
okay, then we end our session right now. Thank you, Alia. Thank you for joining Yonda English Club. You are very chatty and you speak very fluent English. Thank you. Maybe I will see you
I
next
know, right?
time. Huh? Yes?
I know, right?
Is there anything you would like to tell me or you tell the world about how you feel
I
today?
want. I want. Next
Yes?
time, I want to be here again, but with many people. Okay.
Okay, okay. You can bring people. You can bring your friends from school, from your neighborhood.
My my friend is all scared of you
Why?
because you are not friendly with there.
I'm not friendly. They don't even know me. Come on. You can persuade. You can persuade them. You can persuade them.
Apa itu persuade?
Persuade
Apa
itu
itu?
merayu, membujuk, mem, men- let's open the dictionary for the last
I
time.
okay.
Okay.
Open the dictionary, please. Thank you.
Before we end our session, type persuade. P. Come on, I will spell it for you.
P P
Persuade. Yeah. Oh yeah. 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 P E
P E
R
R
S U.
artinya kepribadian.
Persuade. You.
Ya.
You're not. You're not.
Oh,
That's
persuade.
personality. That's a wrong word.
Pers
That's a wrong word. Pursue. A. A. D. A. D. E. What do you have there?
persuade. Bujuk.
Yes. Yeah, that's it. You can persuade your friends. Okay?
Oh,
Okay.
okay, okay, okay.
Bye now. Bye now. See you next
Bye now.
time. Bye bye.
Itu, I will miss you.